Well, hello, human beings. Welcome back to Feral Art, or welcome to Feral Art. If this is your first time here, I'm awfully glad to see you, and I hope that you will find this video enjoyable and will want to stick around, hit subscribe, all the stuff, you know. So, I'm not feeling real talky, honestly, and I just want to paint. So, I'm just going to tell you that all my paints are leftovers. I have no idea what's in most of them. I have combined things and recombined things and dumped stuff out and added stuff in. So, yeah. Also, this is going to be an open cup with paints that are super thin. So they're not really meant to be open cup paints. But I just really want to use them, and I'm just real tired of having so many leftovers. And sometimes I've seen, and I think I've done, though not while I've had my channel, I think I've done some thin open cups, and they just turn out really soft. So hopefully that's what we'll get. So I'm probably not going to be doing much talking until we get to the wet results. So we're just going to get down here and paint.
Barely 7 weeks, but the world's longest tease. You said you've never felt this way. Black and white. Now when I'm alone at night, all I want is your name on my door. Don't back down. You know what we have found. I'm begging you, color me in. Let me be. Until I've shared it with you. Don't back down. You know what we have found. I'm begging you, color me in. Let me be yours. Everyone watching us knows, and you make me That's what we do. That's just what we do. It's like a game that you cannot win. Somehow I don't wanna change a thing. I tell myself what a fool I've been. Gone full circle again. Like we always do. Like we always do. Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold.
Okay, here are the wet results of my thin paint open cup. Now, what I am going to say is every time I wreck something, every time, without fail, when I'm done, I wish I had kept my skewer to myself. This time is no exception. But, you know, once it's done, and there you go. So, oh well. It did turn out pretty nice. Now, it looks more like, I think, a flip cup than it does anything, but I do like it, which is sort of a step in the right direction. I got some nice lacing in there. It's pretty cool. I also have a big ring light reflection there. That's nice. But yeah, I really do wish I had just left that alone. But it didn't. So, you know, so it goes. Just gives you a little something weird to look at, I guess. So, yeah, let's go look for sparklies. You know, we got a bunch. And away we go. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. We got bunches. Bunches and bunches and bunches. So pretty. Look at that. So very pretty. I love me some sparklies. Y'all know that. Here we go. Woohoo. There we go. That. I think, not 100% sure, but I think that was brulee with some 24K mixed in and Lord knows what else. So yeah, don't go looking for colors in my description box because it's going to say leftovers. Because I don't want to tell y'all wrong. Because like I said, I have added stuff and added more stuff and more stuff and more stuff. So there we go. I think it's kind of pretty. Even if it does have this craziness in the middle. I tried to blow on it a little bit to make it less harsh, but I don't know. Anyway, the rest of her's pretty. So there you go. I'll see you when she's dry. Here are the dry results of my little 10 by 10 thin paint open cup pour. Now, I think she's just as cute as she can be, even with that big old wreck I made in the middle. I did this more to see if what I thought would happen would happen. I used to do open cups before I started my channel, and I think I did some thin ones then, and I thought I remembered them being soft and pretty, and it is kind of soft and pretty. There's a little bit of flocculation and stuff going on in here, but look at that. That's just hard to argue with, you guys. So yeah, it was just a little, hey, I have these paints, and hey, I have this stuff, and let's see what happens, and there we go. So anyway, I think it's kind of cool. Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you. I always do. Thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me today. It means the world to me. I will see you next time.